yung sinasabi natin, again, the big one na sinasabi natin that will take place along the West Valley Fault, ang sinasabi natin that we're right for the big one because, the recurrence interval is every 400 to 600 years. And the last time it moved was 1658. Now, as we get closer to the lower limit, which is 400 years, yung probability of this one occurring ay tumataas. But it doesn't mean na, again, mangyari talaga yan by 2058. Could happen earlier, or it could happen later, or pwede ring mangyari yan on the upper limit, which is 600 years. That means 200 years from now. But of course, we have to assume that it will happen on the lower limit para mag-prepare tayo. Otherwise, sabihin natin na it will not happen on the lower limit, it will happen on the upper limit, which is 200 years from now. Baka hindi na tayo mag-prepare. Kung nangyari yan on the lower limit.
Right. Pero base po sa obserbasyon ninyo and assessment from seeing, videos that were shared on social media on the actual occurrence of the 7.8 magnitude quake, would you say na medyo mas preparado na ang taong bayan sa mga ganitong kaganapan?
I would say that we're more prepared now than say 20 or 30 years ago.
Yeah.
Ang laki ng influence ng social media. Seconds lang, alam kagad natin kung anong nangyayari. Nakikita natin yung reaction ng mga tao. But we still have a long way to go, especially doon sa coastlines. Kasi yung napansin natin, yung mga tao, instead of evacuating kasi nag-recede yung tubig, kumuha pa ng cellphone at nag-Facebook Live or video pa.
Oo
So
nga po.
that's wrong.
That's
Kasi
wrong.
ang sinasabi
Okay.
na, that's right. Kung biglang bumalik yun as tsunami waves. Although nagkaroon naman talaga ng tsunami, but hindi ganun kalaki. Just 1.4 meters yung
Right.
na-record natin.
Yeah.
Paano kung if it happened like during the 1976 earthquake sa Cotabato Trench din, 8 to 10 meter tsunami waves ang bumalik in 5 minutes after the main shock.
Just
That's
5
the reason why-
minutes, ha? Just 5 minutes?
That's right. That's the reason why ang daming casualty at the time, 8,000. Kung paano kung nangyari ngayon, this time. So, yun na nga, kailangan siguro natin paigtingin pa yung information dissemination drive natin
Right.
along coastal communities.
Okay. Kasi yung tsunami, hindi rin pa, medyo unique po yung experience na yon. So maybe those videos can be used for education purposes na this is not what you should be doing.
That's right, that's right.